channel. Have y'all been listening to Ryan Hall, y'all? Oh my goodness, we have a historic storm of the century coming upon most of the United States. So I'm no weather girl, but I am a messenger. So my message is, please be ready for the storm, guys. You know, even parts of California, San Francisco, up in the mountains, there'll be a lot of snow coming down there. Parts of Phoenix, Arizona, and I have me some notes here because there's so much going on lately. Las Vegas, and then you get over to the central part of the country where you have Minneapolis, St. Paul, and they are really going to get blasted big time. And then it's coming over to Michigan. I've got a little bit of snow started here already, and we are already having warnings sent that it's going to be a good one. So I mean, they're talking about 3 inches of snow in some areas. My goodness, that's a lot of snow. No reason to be out on the roads at all for that. So make sure that you have everything that you need if you are going to be in the line of this historic storm. Yeah, it's going to be a woozy, with then after that goes by, then ice and more snow is behind it. So being prepared, have your water, have your flashlights, have your candles. If you have a generator, make sure you have gas for your generator. I went down earlier, got some more gas for the generator because with storms like this, you can lose power. So if you need any food from the grocery store, hopefully you'll have it in your pantry already. But if you don't, make sure you have what you need for the storm. Because, when they start talking historic blizzard warnings, you want to kind of take heed to that and not just ignore it. So, yeah. So, like I say, I'm not a weather girl, but, I do watch the weather and I watch Ryan Hall. So, if you don't watch him, go over and watch Ryan Hall. He don't know me from Adam, but he knows what he's doing over there. So, go over and take a look at what he's showing you guys. It's live on the TV right now, and it looks like it's going to be a big one. And make sure you have items in your vehicle if you do have to go out. Have items in your vehicle that you might need if you got stuck, some water, something that you could eat, in an emergency, kitty litter, flashlights, yeah, things for medical purposes, So I did do a video here some time ago on items to keep in your vehicle. So if I can find that video, I'll put it in my description. You can go see that as well. But for now, we're concentrating on this historic storm. So be ready for it, guys. If it's going to be in your area, like I say, it's going across the United States, and a lot of the country is going to be hit with a blizzard, and blizzards are not good, and especially if you have to be driving in them, which I hope you don't. So anyway, guys, there is what I need to tell you for today. God bless you all. Be safe, and until next time, Toodaloo. God bless.